don't think my life will ever be the same after today. Truly realized for the first time in my life, because of everybody here, how proud I really am of being this roster. You know, we get to actually show up to such an event and enjoy it, learn from it, grow from it, connect with it, but we have no idea the amount of time, effort, collaboration it takes to make such an event a success. So why don't we all get on our feet and give a thank you, a heartfelt thank you to the entire committee and everyone that made this possible. You know, all I ask of you for the next 4 days is to leave your minds at home and have the courage to open up your hearts just enough so you can feel, give, receive, and connect with each other while you're here for the next 4 days. You made me think about what is not only important and has value in your profession, but you actually made me think about what has value in your entire life. Because you see, when you add value to your life, you automatically add value to your profession and every relationship within your life. We actually live our life by experiencing and cherishing every single one of these moments, the good, the bad, and the ugly. We live in this society now where we're so focused on trying to get to the next moment. We live in a society where we're so focused trying to grow up that we actually forget to live. We forget to love, we forget to cry, we forget to enjoy our moments. Right? We forget to be children at times. No matter what you do in life, no matter what experience you face, if you're not going to have fun with it, why bother? And having fun is a state of mind. Oh, beta, try to help me. Then I come up. And that's when I start questioning my immortality. Well, you know what? This is who we are. This is how we actually, it's like a beacon. This is how we recognize each other in this foreign world we live in, right? So I can't get rid of that. What they've taught me is real courage are wholehearted people that actually live their worthiness. These are people that fight against all odds in order to become the kind of person they know deep inside they're meant to be. And when you actually chip away and open up your hearts, it is amazing what can happen to every and any relationship in your life. And that could be with just a stranger that walks your path. Truly understand that it is okay to show our imperfections. It's these imperfections that make us special, that make us unique. In our time, all we're truly grateful for people in our lives is to actually speak their mind and speak their truth. But more importantly, we pray for an environment where we feel comfortable enough to speak our mind and speak our truth. We need to have the courage to chip away at this heavy piece of marble that we carry around, protecting our true identity from the people that we're actually trying to connect to. It makes no sense to live that way. You know, we're all born with a natural instinct to communicate with our feelings. And then there comes this critical time in our life, the first time as children we are told it is not okay to do so. And from that point on, we spend years creating this protective shell around us. And every time I find the courage to chip away at this heavy piece of marble that I carry around, I truly realize what life is really about. And I get a little more courage every day to chip a little more away, and I understand what it truly means to love yourself. And I chip a little bit away and I truly understand what it means to love your family and to love your kids and your niece and nephew or your spouse. Or just live, what it means to cry, what it means to laugh. Now, what part of our life did we lose this precious gift of raw and honest communication with those around us? And we start building these superficial relationships by hiding who we really are. This is who we are, and have the courage to share it. And when we stifle that imagination within children, we've cut the lifeline to their creativity. Do we still have the imagination that drives our soul? That is not what connecting is about. We do not go around connecting to people thinking, what can he or she give me in my life? True connection is, how can I help other people? How can I make somebody smile? How can I make their day? You remember the essence of who we are. Good thoughts, good words, good deeds. They're not just words. That's a way of living. It's a way of thinking. It's a mindset. And we are accountable. We are responsible to share that with everyone and anyone that crosses our path. Amazing how easily we quit things in our life. Our dreams, the things we know deep inside we want. No matter what you do, run your own race? Does it not take courage to put yourself out there and actually love and be loved? Very much for your time.